Welcome to our Tarot Tip series, How to Read Tarot Cards. Be sure to watch the whole video to learn what is stopping you from learning to read tarot. And stay to the end for the collective card reading.
This series is an introduction to our comprehensive training courses all about tarot.
And make sure to catch all the videos in this series with the link below for all the juicy tarot goodness.
So whatever level you are, from beginner to advanced, we always bring something valuable to help you grow and improve your practice.
And if you're just getting to know us,
I'm Heather.
And I'm David.
From ZenMostGuarded.com,
home of Zen Ed Academy.
As you come on, do let us know where in the world you are watching from.
Yep, drop it in the comments. If you have any questions as we go, be sure to drop those in the comments too.
Yes, so what is stopping you from learning to read tarot?
I didn't open the book.
You got to start somewhere.
Okay.
You at least open the card deck, right? It might be that it just plain intimidates you on some level. I mean, don't worry. Once you get to know tarot a little bit more, it's not going to stop trying to intimidate you.
Tarot cuts.
But seriously, sometimes it's just for the lack of a little push in the right direction. Today, we're going to break down the tarot into 3 parts that will hopefully give you a little aha moment and some momentum and a little push into getting you excited about learning.
Your tarot deck is basically 3 decks in one. You've got the 22 cards of the major arcana, which is the basic bones of tarot itself. This is the big picture epic story. Then you have the minor arcana, the little guys. The minor arcana, which is kind of like 2 decks in one.
So first you've got 16 court cards that are part of the minor arcana, which can represent some of the players in your life, and sometimes you.
Then you've got the 40 pip, hooray, pip cards, or numbered cards, which mostly all represent the mutable, temporary situations of life.
Right. Altogether, there are 78 cards, and they flow together like a movable map of your life in a reading, right? And that's pretty much how the bones of the tarot fit together.
All right, now it is time for the collective tarot card reading. As we go through this reading, let us know if it resonates with you by dropping it in the comments.
So I'm going to fan out my tarot cards.
I'm a big fan of tarot cards.
And I'm going to pull out the one that is sort of winking out at me, and we're going to see what happens.
I don't know if you guys know, but tarot cards wink.
Okay, so we've got the 3 of Wands, and I swear to you, this is the 4th video in a row where the wands have come out. And I'm not mad about that either.
Yeah.
So the 3 of Wands is kind of a delicious card because the 3 of Wands is about you are starting to move out into the world, to expand your horizons, to get out into the party, to like expand your business, your passion business, not just any business, but
what am I going to create in the world?
Yeah, the 3 of Wands is that I'm creating something. It's happening. It's expanding. I'm really seeing it start to grow. So the 3 of Wands for all of us is a celebration.
Yep.
A card of expansion. Your business is breaking free and growing, but it's not just your business to make money. It's the business you built from your heart and your passion and your desire.
So think about it like this. If you were a farmer, and you might be a farmer, if you're a farmer watching this, let us know in the comments. If you're a farmer, you toil and you put the seeds in and you care for them, and then there comes this moment when you look out into your field and things start to grow.
I'm going to have a bumper crop and I'm going to make some money and be able to accomplish more things that I desire. So I love the 3 of Wands for us as a collective. And we, like the last video came up, the Ace of Wands, and it's this is about breaking free and breaking out.
Yep.
So I'm excited about that for us.
And this is about the results of the labor that you've already put in. So don't forget to catch all the videos in this series using the link below to get a better understanding of tarot basics.
In the next episode, we're going to talk about tarot card meanings in love readings.
If you've gotten something valuable today and you want more, you might be interested in our metaphysical school and community, Zen Ed Academy, where you can connect with our chosen family of like minds, take advantage of PhD-backed education and weekly practices, with tarot being just one example, where you can level up your skills with our comprehensive tarot training, as well as advanced mediumship training, psychic development, and self-growth from wherever you are in the world. Just click the link in the description and see if it resonates for you. Since you guys have watched this far, be sure to check out the goodies we got for you. There's a link in the description below. If you like this video,
hit the like button.
Hit it hard. And if you want to see more videos like this,
be sure to subscribe.
And spank that naughty bell to turn notifications on,
so you're the first to know
when we drop a new video
or go live.
And we know that time is a valuable and precious resource, and the fact that you guys have chosen to spend that with us, we absolutely honor and appreciate that. But more importantly, that you are here to level up your life, your mind, and your skills, and take everything to a whole new level. We absolutely honor and appreciate that even more. If you want more, be sure to binge out on all of our other videos. Over here. I don't know where they are. I'm sure you can figure it out. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
See you in the next video.